Hello and welcome to Awesome Day. My name is Peter. I'm a technical trainer at Amazon Web Services. Congratulations! You've made it through all the content modules. The only thing left to discuss are the next steps you can take in your cloud journey. There are several different paths you can take. You can start getting hands-on straight away by building and playing around with the different AWS services. You can choose to continue your learning with various resources AWS provides, both in person and online. There's also a pathway to solidify and demonstrate your knowledge by sitting one of our exams and obtaining a certification. By the way, this isn't a all or nothing choice. You can mix and match building, structured learning, and certifications as you progress. To get more hands-on with the different services, AWS has a very generous free tier. The way the free tier works and what qualifies is different across each service. So make sure to visit aws.amazon.com/free to see what's included in the free tier for the service you're working with. It's also important to set up a billing alarm in your AWS account, just in case you accidentally create a resource that falls outside of the free tier. AWS also has lots of different tooling available and quick start guides to make getting started even easier. Let me help you get started by showing you how to create an AWS account, set up a billing alarm, and create a resource that qualifies for the free tier. Search on the web, create an AWS account, and you should find a link that brings you to this page. Once you fill out your details and create the account, you can then log into the AWS Management Console. Now, to save time, I've already created an account and logged into the Management Console. In the Management Console, the first thing you want to do is go to Billing and Cost Management. When that loads, scroll down in the left menu to Billing Preferences and select it. Here we want to edit our alert preferences and enable CloudWatch billing alerts. For me in this account, it's already been enabled, but you may need to click the box to select it and then click Update. This enables our AWS account to send billing information to another service called CloudWatch. Let's go to that service now. In CloudWatch, we want to create a new alarm that emails us if our estimated charges go over a certain amount. In all alarms, we select Create New Alarm and then select Metric. The metric that we want is under Billing, Total Estimated Charge. This metric is going to be in US dollars. So select it and then click Select Metric. Now we need to set a threshold in US dollar for this alarm. When the value goes over this threshold, the alarm will be triggered. To receive an email when this alarm is triggered, we need to create a new SNS topic. I'll keep the default topic name and input my email as a subscriber. Make sure you remember to click Create Topic. Once our topic is created, we'll scroll down, click Next, and then give our alarm a name. Something meaningful is best. After that, click Next again. And finally, click Create Alarm. Now that we have this billing alarm set up, we can start creating some resources in our account. The AWS free tier page has information around different AWS resources we can use for free. For EC2, we can get 750 hours of free compute per month for the first 12 months of this account being created. But that's only for the T2 and T3 micro instance types. Let's go to EC2 and create an instance. From the EC2 dashboard, we're going to use the template wizard to create a new instance. There's only a couple of required details we need, like the name, and we need to make sure that we are using the right instance type. And if you don't need to remotely connect to this instance, you can select Proceed without key pair. Then click Launch Instance. This will start provisioning an on-demand EC2 instance. And we've done it. You now know how to get hands-on using an AWS account. If being hands-on is a little intimidating, there's more structured learning. We have in-person classrooms you can register for, and if you prefer self-paced learning, we have digital courses and content as well. Our online learning platform is called Skill Builder. Let's take a look at some of the different resources Skill Builder has available. You can find Skill Builder at skillbuilder.aws. It has both free and paid subscriptions. Once you create an account and log in, you'll be taken to your learner dashboard. Here's where you can find all of the different online content. You scroll down, you'll see there are learning plans to help you navigate what you should learn next. Continuing down, there are also online courses available. We have different game-based learning options, exam preparation material, additional digital training, AWS Jams, which are hands-on infrastructure-based challenges, and also Builder Labs, which are lab environments to help you get more hands-on with a particular service without having to worry about accidentally incurring a cost. Some of this Skill Builder content falls under the free tier, but others do require a paid subscription. If you've been continuing your learning, either through getting hands-on or with our structured learning, and you're ready to validate your expertise, then you can sit one of our certification exams. Certifications are a great way to earn recognition by demonstrating your knowledge. Our certifications are also recognized by various employers. We have 4 different tiers of certification: foundational, associates, professional, and specialty. Don't stop the momentum you've achieved by attending these sessions. Go out and build, learn, and validate. And that brings us to the end of Awesome Day. We'd really appreciate your feedback so we can continue to improve and deliver what's important to you. Please take the time to fill out the survey. It should only take a couple of minutes. And why not test your knowledge? Make sure you can complete the knowledge check after this session to see how you are progressing. Once again, a big thank you. And we look forward to seeing you at more AWS events soon. Have an awesome day.